So hey guys, this is Akash. Today we have to learn difference between at and on. Let's understand with the example. Firstly, as you can see in front of me, I have a notes and I have a pen. So how to use on? If you can see the pen is on the book or notes. In this situation, you use on. Okay. And next is if your friend calling you and asking a question, where are you? You will say, I am in MG Mall. He is also in MG Mall. Again, he is asking a question, I am also in MG Mall. Where are you? You can say, I am at bookshop. Bookshop is a specific place or a specific shop name. So you use at. Okay. Okay.